Hello learners, welcome back to another exciting session for ICSE Term 2 Physics. I hope all of you are doing well. Let me first check if I'm live. Just a second. Okay, yes, I guess I'm live. Hi everyone. All those who are present in the session. Uh, so this session happens to be a numerical capsule. Don't go by the name. We'll basically be discussing few very important numericals, right? That too from your board examinations. So this way the session is going to be very fruitful for all the learners, right? So before I begin the session, for the learners who are watching my session for the very first time, let me introduce myself, right? My name is Kalyan K Awasthi and I'm a physics educator at Unacademy. Good evening beta, how are you? I've been teaching physics since 2008, and as far as my qualifications are concerned, I hold a master's degree in electronics, right? I have done my BTech and MTech in electronics and communication engineering with my area of specialization as digital communication, and I have been into teaching physics for ICSE and ISC students since 2008. So that roughly adds up to maybe 12 years. So you can very well make use of my experience, right? Chalo. So before we begin the session, let me introduce you with these two Telegram channels that we have for Unacademy. The very first is the Unacademy ICSE and ISC board channel, this one, and the second one is the Physics Unacademy channel that is managed by me. And the best part is, if you are attached, if you are joining these particular two channels, you'll be updated with all the upcoming sessions. Specifically, if you want to do few questions as well, you want to be connected with everything related to physics, I would request you to join the second one as well, right? The very first one is the general Unacademy ICSE ISC group, where you can have the details of each and every upcoming offer and everything, and the second one is the physics channel that is managed by me, right? Now at Unacademy we have special classes. Now I must tell you what are the basic and the most important features that we have at the special classes. The very first thing is that the special classes are absolutely free. Okay, as of now, if you're watching this session, you're watching it on YT on YouTube. Good evening Samarth, how are you beta? Apart from these YT sessions, at Unacademy portal we have got special classes that are absolutely free. What I mean to say when I'm saying it's free, you don't have to pay anything, right? You just have to download the app, follow me on Unacademy, use my code, which is Kalyan Live. Okay, this is my code, it's Kalyan Live. You can use this code and you can unlock all my special classes for free, right? The best part in special classes is you get to interact with the educator absolutely free, and the best part and the second most important part is you get to solve the previous year questions and important questions related to a session, related to a topic, through polls. Okay, we have a facility of having polls at these special classes. Polls means there'll be a question with few multiple choice options as well, and what you have to do is you just have to select the correct answer, right? And apart from these two things, we have one doubt clearing tab as well. There is a doubt tab in the special classes. You can click on that doubt tab and you can ask whatever question you have to ask regarding that particular session. Okay, Samarth is saying, sir, my semester 1 results are 87%. Is it good? Semester 1, it's okay. There is always a need of improvement, and since you're below 90, so obviously I'm damn sure this time around you'll be above 90, right Samar? And your preparations might be good as well since you're here, so it shows that obviously you are interested in scoring well. It's not bad, okay, it's good, no doubt about that, but it can be better. Okay Samar, so I would suggest you to score better this time around. Definitely you can crack it with more than 90%. Okay, so I've just told you about the features that we have for the special classes, and then this is the next special class that I'm having. tomorrow 6:30 p.m. right? Apart from the great PG officer, that's great, you have got 90 percentile, all the best, and definitely you'll score better this time around. Okay, I mean, just aim for 95 plus. At the Unacademy special classes, these are the few features that we have. First of all, you can learn live at the comfort of your home. You don't have to move out for a coaching institute. Being at home, you can learn it. Second, you have got unlimited access to all the courses, right? Any number of courses in which you are enrolled can be accessed any number of times. So this again is a very, very good thing. The best part is you get to learn from the top educator, which always is the USP of Unacademy. Every fourth class is a doubt clearing session, which I personally feel is the best part that Unacademy is doing. This every fourth class is a doubt clearing session. Okay, you get a chance to clear all your doubts in every fourth session, right? And these are few additional advantages. I mean, the entire syllabus is covered exhaustively. Yes, Samar, just starting. This is the pricing page that we have. And you can use my code. I've already told you it's Kalyan Live, and by using this code you can avail discounts. The pricings are very competitive, you can clearly see, right? Hi Abdullah, how are you? Good to see you. Yes, Maya, you can just and how much did you score, Maya? I mean, if you could tell me the percentile, I can help you that way. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको अपने वीक एरियाज टारगेट करने पड़ेंगे, जहां पर आपको थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम होता है. आपके प्री बोर्ड्स हो गए होंगे एंड यू नो यू विल बी डन विद एवरीथिंग. सो यू माइट हैव encountered few problem areas, so you have to really work on those areas where you are lacking. Okay, Maya, so this is a good thing. Okay, finally, before we begin the session, let me introduce you with this creative corner as well. Unacademy has come up with this creative corner, jahan par what you can do is you can explore the extracurricular activity side of you. Okay, you have got an option for enrolling in any of the courses. In case you're taking a 12-month subscription, तो आपको क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर बिल्कुल फ्री मिल रहा है, राइट? ओके, समर्थ स्कोर 31 out of 40, फाइन, नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, माया हैज स्कोर 30 out of 40, नो प्रॉब्लम. चलो, तो इन दैट केस यू हैव टू टारगेट फ्यू स्पेसिफिक एरियाज जहां पर यू कैन स्कोर वेल. चलो, दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आई हैव टेकन दिस क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द स्पेसिमेन पेपर जो काउंसिल ने हमें दिया है, राइट? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू कैन सॉल्व इट? अब्दुल्ला, मैंने ये क्वेश्चन कराया है, अगर आपको याद होगा. I have solved this question. If a wire is doubled on itself, and I guess you are there. Okay, I mean अभी recently कराया है, 2-3 बार करा चुका हूँ. I'll solve it. Let me first do few calorimetry questions. Okay, कुछ 1-2 calorimetry के questions कर लें, then I'll definitely do it. Okay, चलो, who will tell me? ध्यान से देखेंगे. The diagram below shows the cooling curve for 200 grams of water. The very first thing is you're giving the mass of the water, which is 200 grams. Fine, is it okay? And I hope yes, the logic is clear. The heat is extracted at the rate of 100 joule per second. Yes, okay, that's great, Diva. I hope that word of advice has worked for you and you are acting accordingly. And as far as your target is concerned, the Olympiad one, right? The heat is extracted at the rate of 100 joule per second. Now this is the catch. Question में वो आपको बोल रहे हैं 100 joule per second. हर second 800 joule of heat is extracted. And you have to answer the following questions. Calculate the specific heat capacity of the water heat released in the region BC. सबसे important चीज, whenever they are asking you the specific heat capacity, इसको ध्यान रखेंगे. You always have to look at the part of the graph जहां पर slope है, जो change हो रहा है, ठीक है ना? ओके अब्दुल्ला, दैट्स ग्रेट. सो अगर आप इस ग्राफ में देखोगे तो यू कैन क्लियरली आइडेंटिफाई कि ये वो रीजन है, दिस इज द रीजन जहां पर देर इज अ चेंज. एंड व्हाट डू आई एक्चुअली मीन टू से जब मैं बोल रहा हूँ चेंज, चेंज का मतलब आप देखो एट पॉइंट ए द टेम्परेचर एट ए इज 80 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, ओके, एंड द टेम्परेचर एट बी, ओके, आई मीन इट्स नॉट हार्ड, इट्स ओके. अगर समझ में आ रही है तो इट्स वेरी इजी, otherwise it's problematic. Chalo. So there is a change in the temperature, and what is the change in the temperature? Delta T. This is 80 minus 0, that is 80 degree centigrade. So delta T here is 80 degree centigrade, right? तो आपको change in temperature मालूम है. And the question is saying that the heat is extracted at the rate of 100 joule per second. एक सेकेंड में 100 जूल हीट एक्सट्रैक्ट हो रही है. नहीं, it will be easy for you as well, Samar. It will be easy for you as well. You have to just follow few very basic tricks and ideas, and I'm damn sure that it will be very easy for you as well. बिल्कुल मुश्किल नहीं होगा. अब यहाँ पर अब जैसे आप इसी क्वेश्चन में बात करो, 80 डिग्री से 0 डिग्री आने के लिए कितना टाइम लगा गैस को, राइट? तो आप देखो, जब 80 डिग्री था तब 0 पे थे, जब 0 डिग्री है तब हम 640 पे हैं. तो हाउ मच टाइम वाज रिक्वायर्ड? तो एक्चुअली द टाइम रिक्वायर्ड टी इज 640 सेकेंड्स, राइट? कैच देखो यहाँ पर, इट्स 640 सेकेंड. सो अब मेरे पास क्यू नहीं है. अगर मेरे पास क्यू नहीं है तो आई कैन नॉट फाइंड द स्पेसिफिक हीट, राइट? Okay guys, okay, yes. Chalo, now the difference in the time is 640 seconds, fine, and for every second you have got 100 joule. So what is the total heat? Total heat is 100 into 640. This will be 64,000 joules, okay? So the heat involved in this particular question is, yes, it is 64,000 joules. Now what you have to do is you have to find Q is equal to mc delta T, right? This is in joules, so rather what we can do is हम इस grams को kg में convert कर सकते हैं. So this mass will actually be 0.2 kg, right? कर सकते हैं. So ठीक है, मेरे को specific heat निकालनी है. This will be Q, write it as capital T, Q upon m delta T, right? So C will be Q upon m delta T. Let's put the values. What is the value of Q? Q is 64,000. What is the value of m? The value of m is 0.2. And what is the value of T, delta T? The value of delta T is 80. Come on, solve it and tell me. Tell me what is the answer. Just solve it. What value will you get? Yes, Samarth, you're right. Q is equal to mc delta T. What value will you get? Will it be 4 into 10 to the power 3 joule per kg degree centigrade? Yes. Is this the correct value? 4 into 10 to the power 3 joule per kg degree centigrade. ठीक है ना? So I guess the first part is clear. Now let's see what they are asking in the second part. They are asking heat released in the region BC. अब अगर आप ध्यान से नहीं सौंदर्य just see the calculation part. I guess you have missed 1 0. Saundarya, you have missed 1 0. It's 4,000. It will be 4,000 beta. Okay, it will be 4,000 joules per kg degree centigrade. This will be the value of C, right? Chalo, the next part is you have to find the heat released in the region BC. Okay, so how can we go about the heat that is releasing in the region BC? सबसे पहले तो आप ये देखो, region BC में the temperature is constant. Okay, that means there is a change in the state. right? Okay, Samarth is saying 256000. Heat released पूछ रहा है बेटा, heat released in the region BC. Okay, it is asking heat released. ठीक है, तो अभी जरा देखो what is the difference in the time. यहाँ देखो क्वेश्चन में it was given per second 100 joule of heat will be released. So what is the time here? From B to C time is 1312 minus 640. So how much heat will be released? This will be 672. इसको solve करोगे you will be getting 672. Yes. Hi Ashutosh, how are you? It's 672 into 100. So Q will be 67200 joules. Right? Yes, the logic is clear. Hi beta, how are you? If you're finding the lecture interesting, if you're watching it, please like it as well. Guys, this is a very informative lecture. अभी हम बहुत से अच्छे क्वेश्चंस करने वाले हैं. तो I hope the first question is clear to all of you. पहला क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया? Yes, Diva, it's 67200. Great, 67,200 joules. Shall we move on to the next question? See, okay, a lot of students were asking for graphical questions, so I've included all graphical questions in this session. I mean, not all, but most of the graphical questions. Chalo, let's see how will you solve it. Just read the question. I'm giving you 1 minute. Just read it and let me know if you can get the correct answer, or if you wish to try it solving, let me know. The specific heat capacity is given in the question, right? और ग्राफ से वो आपसे पूछ रहा है find the mass of the solid and the specific latent heat of fusion of the solid. Okay, so why this question becomes important is, इस question में आपसे वो दोनों चीजों पर क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है. स्पेसिफिक हीट से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन भी आ रहा है और लेटेंट हीट से भी रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन आ रहा है. दैट इज द बेस्ट पार्ट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन. ठीक है ना. ए से बी अगर आप देखो यहाँ पे द स्लोप इज इंक्रीजिंग, राइट. इनफैक्ट देयर इज अ स्लोप. अगर स्लोप है तो यहाँ पर हम स्पेसिफिक हीट की बात करेंगे. एंड देन फ्रॉम बी टू सी इफ यू कैन सी दैट यू आर गेटिंग अ पैरेलल लाइन, राइट. बी से सी आपको एक पैरेलल लाइन मिल रही है. पैरेलल लाइन का मतलब क्या हुआ? द स्लोप इज जीरो. और अगर स्लोप जीरो है तो 100%. देखो यहाँ से टेम्परेचर इज नॉट चेंजिंग. फ्रॉम हेयर द टेम्परेचर इज कांस्टेंट. यस. नाउ हु विल टेल मी व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन द टेम्परेचर इज कांस्टेंट? कौन सा हीट हम यूज करते हैं एट कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर? कौन सा हीट बनता है? कम ऑन. I have to solve it. I mean, we'll see कितना मास आ रहा है. All of you other, please solve करो. First of all, tell me when the temperature is constant, we are talking about which particular heat? Anyone? Come on, it's very easy, not at all difficult. Very easy rather. Just थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाना है. Let me see. Yes. Rishabh is saying it's latent heat. Very good. Saundarya is also saying it's latent heat. ठीक है. अब चलो solve करते हैं. Now let's try and decode it. The very first part is saying you have to find the mass of the solid. So कैसे करेंगे? अच्छा जरा ग्राफ को ध्यान से देखो. This line is not at 4000. This is 4000. Yes. That's written in the part, but I was just asking you, had it not been written, तब भी you have to identify. Yes, सौरभ. अगर आपके पास एक पैरेलल लाइन आ रहा है, that means वहां पर टेम्परेचर कांस्टेंट है. देखो y एक्सिस पे आपके पास टेम्परेचर था और इस लाइन पे टेम्परेचर कांस्टेंट है. तो जब टेम्परेचर आपका कांस्टेंट रहता है तो वी टॉक अबाउट लेटेंट हीट ओनली. मैं ये बोल रहा था भाई. आई होप मेरा लॉजिक क्लियर है सभी को, व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू कन्वे. यस. तो फटाफट से बताइए I have got one answer. Diva has already given the answer, and according to Diva, the answer is 20 grams. Chalo, anyone else wants to try? In fact, all of you should try. It's a good question. Board ka hi question hai. So, I mean, there is no point missing these kind of questions. Just need answers from few of you. Yes. देखो, A to B. This is the point. A to B, right? From A to B, the very first thing that you have to do is you have to check that from A to B what is the change in the temperature. Once you identify the change in the temperature, only then you will be able to move ahead. So the very first thing is at A the temperature is 0, at B the temperature is 100, right? So what is the change in temperature? The value of delta T here is again 100. It's same as we had in the previous question, so you don't have to worry about it. Chalo, next. What is the amount of heat energy involved? See, at A the heat energy is 0. At B, what is the heat energy? Tell me, what is this value? What is this value? Anyone? Quickly. Come on. Okay, Saundarya has given the answer 50 grams. So we have got two answers. Diva is saying it's 20 grams. Saundarya is saying it's 50 grams. Okay, Diva has changed the answer and now it's 45 grams. Rishabh, ध्यान से देखो बेटा, it's not 4,000. It's not, the line is not touching the 4,000 point. एक line पीछे है. नहीं, वो 4,000 नहीं है. देखो ऐसा है कुछ. This is 4,000 वाली line and this is where the line is falling. Okay. This is 3600 joules. Fine है. This is 3600 joule. ध्यान से देखो एक बार question. Just pause it and you can just enlarge the image and see अगर थोड़ा सा problem आ रहा हो तो. At times कभी कभी image blur हो जाता है live streaming में. So in case अगर ऐसा problem है, you can just enlarge it. So now what we have to do is we have to use Q is equal to MC delta T. So Q is equal to MC delta T. What is Q? Q is 3600. M is what you have to find. C is 0.8. Delta T is 100. Okay. Yes. I guess Diva's answer is correct. Yes. M will be 45 grams. Very good. Okay, Saundarya has also corrected the answer. Great. Okay, fine. Chalo, the next part. What will be the answer for the next part? Please like the video as well. अगर आपको अच्छा लग रहा है, please like it. Share the link with it with your friends as well so that they can get a chance to solve it. Yes, Samar. Hi Noor, how are you? Okay, Diva answer was 45. Sure. Sohrab has also given 45 grams. Great. Samarth also 45 grams. Great. Fine. Come on, tell me the answer for the next part. Quickly. The next part. The specific latent heat of fusion of solid. What will be the answer? Specific latent heat of fusion of solid. Come on. How will you do it? Just look at the graph carefully. First of all, you have to identify the points, right? I mean, this was 3600. ये point कितना होगा? If this is done, I mean, half the job is done. See, for latent heat, you have to find. Okay, Samarth, bye. Can you identify the least count? Right? 4,000. There is a difference of 4,000 between two lines. Yes or no? Yes. So यहाँ पर you will be getting 72 7200 joules. Okay, the value that you will be getting here is 7200 joules. So what we have to do is we have to find Q is equal to ml. Q is equal to ml. This will give you the value of m as Q. Actually we have to find the value of L. So this will give you the value of L as Q by M. Simply just solve it. Okay, Rishabh is saying 160, Saundarya is saying 155. Okay, भाई एक बार जरा चेक करो. I guess guys are getting it wrong. एक बार फिर से चेक करो. What is the net heat by B से C तक? How much heat is involved? Between B to C, how much heat is involved? First of all, you have to check it ना. कितना heat involve हुआ है? Only then we can draw a conclusion. So first of all, आप जरा check तो करो कि how much heat is involved. By 7200 minus 3600. Yes. Okay, Diva is saying it's 80 grams. Okay, let me see. The heat is 3600 and you have to divide it with the mass. Mass आपने अभी पिछले पार्ट में निकाला है, it's 45. Yes, I guess 80 grams. Yes, Rishabh, कुछ mistake किया था आपने. The answer is 80 grams. Yes. Sorry, it's not grams. We are not supposed to find the mass. So who will tell me the unit? I mean the correct unit rather. No, Diva, it's Rishabh, it's not 80 joules. Tell me the correct unit, beta. Unit सही होना चाहिए भाई कैलोरीमेट्री में. It will be 80 joules per gram. Yes. It will be 80 joules per grams. Okay. Yes, Saundarya, you're right. J per gram. Yes, great. तो सबको समझ में आया क्वेश्चन? All of you have understood the question? Yes or no? I just need a thumbs up या yes अगर आपको समझ में आ गया, so that we can move on with the next one. Come on, quickly. Yes, Saurabh, 80 joules per gram सही आंसर है. सभी को those who are in the session, please like the video as well. आप जितना like करोगे उतना ही trend करेगा. So it's very important. Like it as well. Share the link with your friends so that maximum can be benefited with it. Yes. Chalo. This is the next question and I'm expecting all of you to tell me the correct answer. अब की बार गलत नहीं होना चाहिए. The question is very similar looking. बिल्कुल एक ही जैसा क्वेश्चन है एंड डेलिबरेटली किया है ताकि आपका लॉजिक बिल्कुल 100% क्लियर हो जाए. क्विकली टेल मी द आंसर, फटाफट. लेट मी सी हु टेल्स मी द आंसर फर्स्ट. कौन सबसे पहले सॉल्व करता है? Yes, Diva, the units are very important, very important, and a lot of things change if you're changing the unit, specifically in calorimetry. चलो फटाफट से, who will tell me the answer quickly? I want the answer from you guys. अभी हमने एक क्वेश्चन किया है, it was exactly the same. I have just changed the units and nothing else at all. So I'm expecting a good response this time around. Yes. Okay. Okay, no problem. Muhammad, I mean, after Muhammad, what is it? Okay, Saundarya is saying 15 grams. Rishabh is saying 31.25 grams. So we have already got two answers, two different answers, and both of them cannot be correct. I'm still looking for a correct answer. Come on. ध्यान से देखो. Mohammad Taban. Okay. Am I pronouncing it correct? It's taban, right? Come on, बहुत ध्यान से देखेंगे. This is 3000 and just look at the graph properly. Okay, great. Taban, tell me the answer. Very easy. That is what you have to identify. Taban, यही तो आपको identify करना है. That is the only catch. If you get that right, you'll get the question correct. So Taban's answer is 20 grams. Saundarya's answer was 15 grams. Rishabh's answer is 31.25 grams. So we have got three different answers. Anyone else? सौंदर्य एंड ऋषभ, जरा एक बार दोबारा से चेक करो. मेरे को लग रहा है तबान्स आंसर इज करेक्ट. आई कैन सी इट. जस्ट रीचेक इट एक बार. एक बार दोबारा ट्राई करो बेटा. देखो 1500 to 3000, दैट मीन्स 1500 का डिफरेंस है. 1500 का डिफरेंस है एंड देर आर नॉर्मली 5 कॉलम्स. तो एक कॉलम 300 का हुआ. तो 1 2 3, राइट. तो यू हैव टू डू इट दैट वे, राइट. तो ये आपका 2400 जूल्स ही आएगा. तबान इज एब्सोल्युटली राइट. ओके, यस. Come on, is it okay? All of you. Come on, yes. So what is the change in heat? Okay, Noor, मेरे को लग रहा है I guess कुछ गलत किया है. देखो मैंने आपको अभी बताया, जब कभी भी आपको स्पेसिफिक हीट निकालना है, you just have to focus on the पार्ट ऑफ द ग्राफ विच इज एक्चुअली इंक्रीजिंग और डिक्रीजिंग. ठीक है ना, स्लोप वाले पार्ट पे हमें फोकस करना है. ठीक है. सो यहां से यहां तक अगर आप देखोगे, व्हाट इज द चेंज इन टेम्परेचर फ्रॉम 60 यू आर मूविंग टू 160, राइट. फ्रॉम 60 यू आर मूविंग टू 160. सो व्हाट इज द चेंज इन टेम्परेचर? which is 100 degree centigrade. Okay. This is the change in the temperature, and for this change in the temperature, how much heat is actually required, right? We have to see. Yes, Ashutosh, the change in temperature is 100, and for this change in temperature, how much heat is actually required? This is the amount of heat required, and its value is 2400. We'll see. अभी तो let's first scatter the first part. ठीक है ना. So 2400. Now what you have to do is you have to find Q is equal to MC delta T. So M will be Q upon C delta T. What is Q? 2400. What is C? This, and delta T is 100. So I can see it's 20 grams. Okay, all of you were there in the session. I could clearly see that the mass here is 20 grams, right? Logic clear to everyone? Yes. Come on. Yes, Sora. The answer is 20 grams. Okay, yes, it's 20 grams. चलो सेकेंड पार्ट. स्पेसिफिक लेटेंट हीट ऑफ फ्यूजन कितना होगा? नूर इज आस्किंग सर व्हाट, यस तबान सेम क्वेश्चन था, डिफरेंट वैल्यूज इसीलिए दिया था ताकि क्लियर हो जाए सभी को। ओके ओके, नूर इज आस्किंग सर व्हाट इज द टेम्परेचर। टेम्परेचर बेटा आपको ग्राफ से पढ़ना है। ए पॉइंट का 60 है, बी पॉइंट का 160 है, तो चेंज इन टेम्परेचर हो गया 160 माइनस 60, ठीक है। हाउ डिड आई कैलकुलेट हीट? सी जब टेम्परेचर 60 था तो देखो एक्स एक्सिस पे मैंने हीट प्लॉट किया हुआ है, यू कैन क्लियरली सी हीट इज प्लॉटेड ऑन द एक्स एक्सिस। जब 60 था आई वॉज एट दिस पॉइंट, जब बी पे आए तो आई वॉज एट दिस पॉइंट, राइट। तो आई हैव जस्ट कैलकुलेटेड द डिफरेंस, इस डिफरेंस ने मेरे को हीट दे दिया, राइट, ठीक है ना। ओके सी आई कुड स्टिल सी डिफरेंट आंसर्स। आई थिंक मेरे को लग रहा है 150 शुड बी द आंसर, यस, ऑल टाइम बेस्ट आफ्टर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, यस। आंसर मेरे को 150 लग रहा है। एक बार फिर से चेक करो द सेकेंड वन, द सेकेंड वन बेटा। भाई देखो आपको ये डिफरेंस निकालना है, तो ये पॉइंट आइडेंटिफाई करना है। मेरे को लग रहा है दिस पॉइंट Q2 विल बी ओके, यस 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 यस, yes, it will be 3000 joules, okay, it will be 3000 joules। हाँ जी शोराब सही बोल रहे आप, it will be 3000 joules। again Q is equal to ml, मेरे को L निकालना था तो this was Q upon M, तो this was 3000 divided by 20। देखो बिल्कुल सेम ही क्वेश्चन था बेटा, सेम ही क्वेश्चन था, और मैंने दिया भी इसीलिए था ताकि आपका लॉजिक बिल्कुल क्लियर हो जाए, राइट है। क्लियर है सभी को? आई होप यस, द क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन, ऑल ऑफ यू से यस नो। चलो तो हमने 3 क्वेश्चन कर लिए ग्राफ पे। यू वांट मोर क्वेश्चंस ऑन ग्राफ या आप नॉर्मल आ जाएं? हाँ जी, इट वाज इजी, इट वाज इजी। जब आपको पैटर्न क्लिक हो जाता है तो इजी लगता है, जब तक पैटर्न क्लिक नहीं होता है तब तक ही ग्राफ का क्वेश्चन डिफिकल्ट लगता है। मोहम्मद अशार, okay, I hope all of you can read the question properly, very interesting question। सीधे just don't directly jump on to the conclusion। 2 मिनट क्वेश्चन को पढ़ो पहले, ठीक है ना, 2 मिनट क्वेश्चन को पढ़ो एंड देन डिसाइड। 2 मिनट क्वेश्चन को पढ़ो एंड देन स्टार्ट डूइंग इट, ऐसे नहीं, जस्ट रीड इट for 2 minutes, for 1 minute, 2 minutes, take your time। How many of you can solve it? There is a heater which is placed in the crushed ice. The temperature of the ice is minus 40 degrees centigrade. And finally, okay, you can't read the question. Should I write it again? That will be okay. Now is it visible? right? How many of you cannot read it? It is visible. Saundarya, is it visible? क्यों? Saundarya, is it visible to everyone? भाई बाकी लोग बताओ, is it visible? अच्छा चलो, okay, if it is visible, just solve it. Just solve it, and it's a very good question, very good question. I mean, how can you be so quick? The logic seems good, Rishabh. जो logic आप बता रहे हो, that looks good, but I just want to see the answer. मेरे को आंसर बताओ पहले. आप जो बोल रहे हो वो बिल्कुल ठीक है. -40 degree centigrade ice will convert into 0 degree centigrade of ice. 0 degree centigrade of ice will convert into 0 degree centigrade of water. 0 degree centigrade of water will convert at 50 degree centigrade of water. ठीक है, that absolutely correct. -40 degree centigrade of ice at 0 degree centigrade of ice. 0 degree centigrade of ice at 0 degree centigrade of water, right? Now 0 degree centigrade of water at 150 degree centigrade. Yes, it's 50, sorry, just remove it. It's 50 degree centigrade of water. This is how the conversion will take place, and you have to find the heat in every individual part. Okay, you can assume the mass as m. Fine, I'm telling you, I'm just giving you a hint. आप mass m मान लो, it will not change. And finally the heat that will be provided, see, you are, nah, it's not hard, beta. देखो, the power of the heater is this: power is equal to work done upon time, right? Work is nothing but energy. Here you can take it heat energy, so this is P into T. So Q will be, power is 200 watts, and time ko you can convert into seconds. 3 minutes is 180 seconds. 180 plus 20 is 200 seconds. 40,000 joules. This is the energy. And what you have to do is, you have to find the total heat energy in all these three states, and you have to just equate them and find the value of m. Come on, let me see who tells me the answer first. It's very easy. एक एक करके चलते हैं. The amount is, let the mass is m. Tell me how much heat is involved when -40 degree centigrade ice converts into 0 degree centigrade ice. Q -40 to 0 ice. Tell me what is the value. Let's move step by step. Anyone? मेरी बात समझ में आ रही है? Okay. Tell me the individual values. I mean, धीरे धीरे चलते हैं. Let's not rush with it. Tell me how much heat is involved here first. Only here. How much heat is involved when -40 degree centigrade of ice is converted into 0 degree centigrade of ice? Mohammad Ashar, come on. I hope मेरी बात सबको समझ में आ रही है. All of you are able to decode what I am trying to convey. No, it's not 9 grams. It's not 9 grams, beta. Yes. I guess. Yes, Muhammad Ashar. It will be 84 m. Yes, very good. All of you just check it. It's 84 m. इतना ही आएगा. Just check it, guys. Yes, Mohammad Ashar, your answer is correct. I mean 84 m for this part only. Okay, only for this part. Now Q latent. Yes, Mohammad Ashar, what is the value? Yes, आशुतोष 84 m. एक मेरे को m भी तो डालना पड़ेगा ना, तो वो m भी लिखो साथ में. ठीक है, वो m भी लिखो. Yes, anyone? 336 m. Great. 336 m. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now 0 degree centigrade of water to 50 degree centigrade of water. How much heat will be involved? Come on, quickly. Yes, Deepa, I will explain. I will explain. Let me just get the answer first. I'll explain it. No issues. Great. It's 210 m. I hope you're solving it, right? Muhammad Ashar. Very good. Chalo, let me explain it to everyone. Okay. Okay. I've got a lot of questions. यहाँ पे सॉल्व करते हैं, ठीक है ना. -40 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड ऑफ आइस to 0 degree centigrade of ice. How much mc delta t, right? This is what you have to do. M, you have assumed m. C, it is given in the question, it's 2.1. And what is delta t? Delta t is 40. Yes, 84 m. तबन क्लियर है? ऑल दोस्त जिसको नहीं समझ में आ रहा था, इज द लॉजिक क्लियर? अब 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड आइस, जब मेरा 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड वाटर में बदलेगा तो कितना हीट मेरे को चाहिए होगा? ml, राइट? m मैंने मान लिया, l इज 336, तो कितना हीट चाहिए हुआ? 336 m. यस, फाइन. अब 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड का वाटर जब 50 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड के वाटर में बदलेगा तो हाउ मच हीट विल बी रिक्वायर्ड? mc डेल्टा t. m इनटू क्वेश्चन में आपको c कितना दिया हुआ है? इट्स 4.2. डेल्टा t इज 50. इसको सॉल्व करोगे तो यू विल गेट 210 m. इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? अभी द लॉजिक इज क्लियर? यस यस यस. मोहम्मद अशार, योर आंसर इज करेक्ट. अब मेरे को क्या करना है? सभी हीट्स को ऐड. यस, मेरे को सभी हीट्स को ऐड कर देना है और 40,000 के बराबर कर देना है. सिंपल. करो फटाफट से. टेल मी कैसे करना है, क्विकली. एक्सक्यूज मी. Yes, come on. Yes, total heat is 630, I guess. Okay. Yes, it's 63.49. Yes, तबन. तो मेरे को लग रहा है मोहम्मद अशार एंड तबन, both of them have got this correct. All the other, देखो कहीं प्रॉब्लम हो तो जस्ट आस्क मी. पूछ लो मेरे से. जस्ट आस्क मी. चलें, शैल वी मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन? आई होप समझ में आया होगा ऑल ऑफ यू. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन जस्ट सेंड मी इन द सेंड दैट इन द चैट बॉक्स. आई एम देयर. गाइज प्लीज लाइक द लेक्चर एज वेल. अगर आपको अच्छा लग रहा है प्लीज लाइक इट. शेयर द लिंक विद योर फ्रेंड्स एज वेल सो दैट they get benefited from it. Yes, both are okay. तबान, both are okay. Okay, ऋषभ, आपने सिली मिस्टेक. क्या गलती किया था? Was it a calculation mistake? ऋषभ, was it a calculation mistake? चलो नेक्स्ट वन. Very easy question. Very easy question. I want the answer, and I want the correct answer from many of you now. I mean, this is a very easy question. हम पहले भी कर चुके हैं किसी सेशन में. Quickly tell me the correct answer. For any doubt, you can just send me in the chat box. I'll try and help you out with it. No issues on that. It's very easy. Okay, you already calculated it. Others, please, बाकी लोग, tell me the answer. The other students. ऋषभ, 80 जूल्स. जरा फिर से चेक करो, कुछ जीरोस मेरे को लग रहा है इधर उधर हो गए. ऋषभ, बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है भाई, बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है. कर लोगे तुम, आई एम डैम श्योर कर लोगे. The mass of the hydrocarbon is given as 1.5 kgs. Okay. The power of the heater is given 500 watts. Yes. And the time here is 4 minutes, which is 240 seconds. Okay. Now power is work upon time. Work is nothing but your energy. Here it will be Q. So this will be P into T. 500 into 240. Okay. And you have to find the, yes, you have to find the L. Q is equal to ML. L is equal to Q by M. Q here is 500 into 240. M here is 1.5. मोहम्मद अशार, आप कौन सा आंसर बताया है ये? आई मीन 12,000 किसका बता रहे हो? राइट, इसको सॉल्व करोगे तो 80,000 ही आएगा. ठीक है. Okay, Rishabh is asking, sir, can't we take the mass 1500 grams? Is this what you are asking? Yes. क्यों भाई? नूर आलम, चेक करो बेटा आंसर. 80 जूल्स नहीं है, 80 जूल्स नहीं है. ले सकते हो, बट यूनिट आपका फिर जूल पर ग्राम हो जाएगा. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. आई मीन ऑप्शंस के हिसाब से चेंज कर सकते हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. देखो, लेट मी टेल यू, आप आंसर इसमें भी लिख सकते हो और आप आंसर इसमें भी लिख सकते हो, बट ध्यान रखिएगा ऐसा ना हो कि आप मिस्टेक कर दो. एक चीज ग्राम्स में दी हुई है, मान लो आपको किसी क्वेश्चन में स्पेसिफिक हीट आपको दी है जूल पर ग्राम डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, और आपने मास वहां केजी में रख दिया. नहीं, जब स्पेसिफिक, ओके 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 ऋषभ, जब कभी भी स्पेसिफिक हीट दी होगी जूल पर केजी डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड या जूल पर ग्राम डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, यहां पर अगर ग्राम है तो मास आपका ग्राम्स में होगा, अगर यहां पर केजी है तो मास आपका केजी में होगा. ओके. यही गलती मैक्सिमम लोग करते हैं जो आपको अवॉइड करनी है बेटा, ठीक है? ये गलती यू हैव टू अवॉइड दिस मिस्टेक, ये नहीं करना है। क्लियर है? इज इट ओके ऑल ऑफ यू? यस, चलो भाई, शैल वी मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन? एक और करें या चलो लेट मी brief you with these features. Okay, Unacademy has come up with the emerge test. The emerge test is for all the class 10th and the 12th learners, and you can enroll in these tests free of cost है, there is no issue in it. You can use my code which is Kalyan Live. आप ये code use कर सकते हो। अगर आप ये code use करोगे तो you will be getting, yes obviously it does help, it does help. देखो हीट, लाइट, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, ये सब बहुत बेसिक क्वेश्चंस हैं, राइट? चैप्टर्स हैं, तो इससे हर कंपटीशन में आपको क्वेश्चन मिलता ही मिलता है। सैटरडे, संडे, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, दीज आर दी dates that have been decided for these mock tests, so you can make use of it. Okay, then we have got 2 batches. The very first is the champions batch that started on 2nd of March, and we have got one more batch for class 10. Okay, the batch has started on 16th of March, so you can enroll in these questions, in these batches. Sorry, question करते करते question ही निकल रहा है. And a very important thing, Unacademy has come up with this community feature जहाँ पर you can connect with your educator through the community. If you're finding an educator's content good, interesting, what you can do is you can download the Unacademy app, you can follow the educator. As soon as you'll follow it, you'll be automatically connected to its community. जैसे अगर आप मेरे community का बात करो, on my community you always get, every morning you'll be getting 2 questions every morning, and the next morning I'll be telling you the answers of the 2 questions, and I'll be giving you 2 more questions. Okay, yes, Mohammad Taban, I can definitely help you. I am planning one session tomorrow. You are connected through Telegram or not, all of you? नूर आलम, आप टेलीग्राम पे जुड़े हो? नूर आलम, यू हैव टू डाउनलोड दी अनअकैडमी ऐप. आपको इमर्ज टेस्ट फाइंड करोगे, यू विल सर्च फॉर इट, आपको मिल जाएगा. वो लॉक होगा, आपको रजिस्टर करना होगा. व्हेन यू विल बी रजिस्टरिंग, आपसे कोड मांगेगा, आपको ये कोड डालना होगा, कल्याण लाइव. आप ये कोड डाल सकते हो, ठीक है? तो आप एनरोल हो जाओगे, राइट? Is it okay to all of you? This is the way how we'll be enrolling in it. And there is one more, this okay, I'm just checking it. Just checking it. Is it okay now? Arpit, is it okay now, beta? I guess yes. Now it's okay, I can see it. Might be a glitch, sometimes it does happen. हो जाता है कभी कभी. Yes. Yes, Taban. Fine, no problem. 9 के टिप्स कल देते हैं, कल के सेशन में. I'm planning a session, इसीलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ. जस्ट आप अगर उस पर ऐड हो जाओगे टेलीग्राम पे, तो आपको सभी लिंक्स मिल जाएंगे बेटा सेशन के, राइट? लेट्स प्लान अ सेशन. आई विल डेफिनेटली बी प्लानिंग वन टुमारो. टाइमिंग का तो एज ऑफ नाउ आई कैन नॉट टेल यू. आई विल बी जस्ट प्लानिंग इट आफ्टर द क्लास. सो जस्ट कनेक्ट ऑन द टेलीग्राम. आप देखोगे यहाँ पर, दिस इज द लिंक. आई हैव गिवन द लिंक इन द स्टार्टिंग. दिस इज द लिंक. Okay, yeah, for that matter, the best part is just download the Unacademy app, find me. My name is Kalyan K Awasthi. As soon as you follow me, you will be joined in my community. ठीक है ना? वहां पर भी you can watch my lectures for free. We have special lectures, special classes that can be accessed free. Yes, it will be on YouTube, Taban. It will be on YouTube. We have had these sessions. I have not planned it yet, बेटा. तभी तो I am telling you, just connect with it. कल मॉर्निंग में लिंक मिलेगा. मॉर्निंग में. ओके तबन द लिंक विल बी डिस्प्लेड इन द मॉर्निंग, तो आप यू कैन वेरी वेल ज्वाइन इट. एज ऑफ नाउ जस्ट ज्वाइन दी दिस टेलीग्राम चैनल, तो आप कनेक्ट हो जाओगे. यू विल बी एक्सेसिबल टू एवरीथिंग, राइट? चलो भाई, thank you very much. I guess this is all from my side. We shall catch up very soon tomorrow. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank